Hello and welcome to Elif's Kitchen. Today I want to share with you my delicious white pudding recipe. In Turkey, this dessert is called chicken breast and is actually prepared with chicken. But today I will show the fake version without chicken. I took 125 grams of butter in my pot. I'm melting it. You can also use margarine instead of butter if you wish. After my butter melts, I add a cup of flour on it and roast the flour for 2-3 minutes. Then I add a liter of milk, stirring constantly. I mix it quickly so that the flour is not lumped. I'm waiting for it to boil, stirring constantly. See, it started to boil. I add a cup of sugar on it. I mix it again until the sugar dissolves. Let's cook it on low heat for 5-6 minutes, stirring occasionally. Please don't forget to stir occasionally, or it can stick to the bottom. I add 1 pack of vanilla and whisk it with the mixer for about 5 minutes. This is very important. The more you whisk, the better it will be. Look, as you can see, it stretches like paste. The consistency was very good. I wet my rectangular Pyrex and poured the excess water out. I'm pouring my pudding on it. I'm trying to fix it as much as possible. I keep it until it is at room temperature. Then, I cover it with plastic wrap and keep it in the fridge for about 3-4 hours. After 3-4 hours, I slice it. I want to make a roll, that's why I'm slicing into rectangular shape. If you don't want to bother with rolling, you can pour it into a smaller Pyrex and serve it sliced. I give it the shape of a roll. I put it on a serving plate. I decorated it with ground pistachios and cinnamon. By the way, it's the best with cinnamon. You can add lots of cinnamon. My fake chicken breast dessert, also known as white pudding, is now ready to be served. I hope you will try and like it. I'm waiting for your likes and comments. Thank you for watching.